You know how it is. We're tired. We're like, oh, we're only going to be outside for half an hour, and you end up doing a bunch of other stuff.
Well, I had a bunch of stuff I had to put away for the winter, and I still got to put my driveway reflectors up so I know where to snow blow in the winter, so I don't get close to that stump.
And I'll show you the project we just did. Ta-da! Golden Pothos. We were in the backyard, and I found this stick, and I've been thinking about doing this to the Golden Pothos, which now that I'm looking at it, I wonder if there's money tree in there, Golden Pothos, and there's some really tall leaves, but...
Well, a couple of days from now, the leaves that are upside down will turn the other way.
Yeah, because we just planted, we put stone in the bottom and everything. But this is going to look really nice when it's all growing up. But this has been growing like crazy. I had like 5 pots of it, and I said, let's just make a nice hanging, or not hanging, but climbing plant with it. And so Clay helped me, and he fixed the stick.
I just cut it off the top of the stick.
Well, we wanted to get
let it grow back down around the other ones.
Yeah, well, it can climb up the wall if you want. But I kind of wonder if I have some money plant in this, if this is the money plant. It might all be Golden Pothos, because I tried to, it should all be Golden Pothos, but I say that only because it just looked funny. But I mean, I'm sure it is all Golden Pothos actually, so I guess I won't have to question that, because I'm really anal about labeling all my plants, because some plants can look really close together, and then they, you know, you might think it's one, and a lot of the pothos, they come like from 4 of them, so like you got your marble queen, your marble,
you're going to end up clipping lengths off it, because you're never going to get it untangled.
Yeah. Well, I was hoping to bring it outside in the summer, but we'll see what happens. It depends on. I want all my plants outside because they grow so great.
You need to get a roller for it.
Yeah, so he puts it on this one. We just, right for now, we're going to put it where Cleopatra, the elephant ear, was, which we'll have to show a video of that. Yeah, Clay fixed that one up really nice, so I'm really happy about that.
It's not nice, it's just where it didn't get a droop.
Well, so she doesn't break. So, anyway, so... Yay for the Golden Pothos.
One more major project to do.
Actually, before I finish the subject on the Golden Pothos, this is all Golden Pothos because I labeled it all, so that's why I know that it is. So anyway. Okay, what is the other project you have to do, dear?
I have to drive the fence post for the reflectors for the driveway.
Okay.
So I only go so far over with the snowblower.
So I'm getting tired because I was over there bending, picking up dirt, and Clay was straightening and helping me with the leaves.
Tear down the quail summer home, and I picked a couple more of those
Hubbard squash
out of the garden. There's still one more of those
acorn-like
buttercup squash on top of the fence.
Okay.
I can't reach it unless I pluck it and then let it roll down the fence.
And Red came over and had breakfast this morning. Clay said, hey, Red's outside, which is a stray cat that will probably never be without animals because there's always somebody. Now we've got Red, and he's pretty friendly.
I still got to take the screws out of that bird across the road.
Oh, yeah, that little bird. You guys remember when we put those up?
Well, that's only in case we get another truck hitting the mailbox.
Yeah, go back and look at our videos of the mailman. hitting our...
What, the mailman?
Or not the mailman, I'm sorry, the mail lady. We know her, it's not her, it's some other... Every year somebody does.
Well, we got the car stopped there, that big round... The old mailbox that had the concrete bottom in it.
So hopefully this year...
So if they hit that, they'll tear their oil pan out from under their car. It'll cost them to destroy my stuff.
It won't be as bad this year because we're not getting as many packages.
I had to spend 2 days fixing that mailbox.
Right.
Mixing concrete and pouring it and everything else. Making a new stand.
Yeah.
They put a lot of work on me, and they never even come back over to find out if I needed help putting it back up.
Oh, yeah. Well, people do. And one year we had some kids stuck in our driveway in the snow, and Clay said from now on, we're just calling the cops.
Yeah, let the cops deal with it.
Because we can't. We're getting too old to dig people out.
Well, they wanted me to dig them out, plus push him out of the ditch.
And I think that kid wasn't even supposed to take the car.
No, his grandmother was going to kill him if she found out he had the car.
Yeah, I mean...
Well, they'll find out the next time.
Well, I'm sure she found out anyway, because I think, didn't he have to call her? Because we probably wouldn't have left him.
No, we finally got him out.
Yeah.
But there was no reason he ended up on this side of the road.
Well, we weren't sure about if his grandma... We said after he left, we said, I bet his grandmother didn't know he took the car, because the way... We don't know. We have no way of knowing. He's like, I brought...
That's what he was saying after we got him out.
Oh, is that what he said after we got him out? I just remember him saying something about his grandma, and I thought to myself...
We've had people pull down or go off the road and pull down into my lawn. Tore my lawn all up, so I had to fix that in the spring.
Yeah, it gets wild here. One year, with the year you had the hip surgery, the snowplow man, I mean, he dumped, like, I'm talking like big...
Two ton of snow.
Right in front of Clay's car.
Hard packs.
I mean, it was ice. I mean, it didn't melt for like half the...
I had to chop it all up to get it out of the driveway. And I was in agony when I did it.
It was just like half the winter it was there because it was just too hard. It's just the perils of the Northeast, right? And living on a main drag too, probably. So... Anyway, so I am so happy about this. I hope you guys are having a great day.
See, I told you. See the water on the bottom? It's got holes in it.
Okay, because we were fussing about that. I said...
I told you it had holes in it. I said
I didn't see any holes.
See the water leaking right out of the
I
hole?
don't think I see that. Okay, then I feel a little bit better about that because I was worried.
We just got to get one of those plastic catch-alls. I think you got 4 or 5 of them still in the greenhouse.
I have to look in there. I am getting too pooped. I've been up since about 4, making coffee, cooking chicken, doing laundry. Wine.
What you're whining about? I was doing the laundry.
You put the wash. This is our laundry.
I wash the clothes. I put them in the dryer. All she does is take them out of the dryer and put them away.
And fold them and put them away.
Yeah.
Want to switch?
I used to have to do it all myself.
Oh, I don't mind. I don't mind. I'm glad to help.
You make it sound like it's a big chore to put them away.
No, I just have to fold it and put it all away.
Deal with them when they're all full of water and...
Clay just puts them in the washer, turns it on, and then I make her put them in the dryer because of my wrist.
And I make her take them out of the dryer because my back won't stand it leaning over that dryer.
But I do all the cooking and the dishes by myself usually.
You should. Because I bring home the bacon.
You don't bring home the bacon.
All by myself. Yes, I do.
Truthfully, guys, I'm at the point in my life I'm thankful for the housework that I have because we got rid of all the extra chores. So I'm happy I have something to do. You know you're happy when you have something to do and you look forward to doing your housework. And well, the problem with the wash machine is we got to buy one of those turkey or those things, those long clippers, because I can't get the wash at the very bottom of the wash machine. You know what I'm talking about? If you get one of those clippers, like you get chicken out of or a piece of pizza off, you know, like a clipper thing.
Grippers?
No, like a gripper, yeah. I can put that in the wash machine and pull out the laundry, and then you don't have to help me anymore.
You ain't gonna pull them heavy, wet clothes out of there with that gripper.
I have before, but the last time I did it broke.
Yeah, they're not strong enough for that kind
of...
Yeah, those, when they're full of water, they're heavy.
So anyway, that's why he helps me with that. We're not complaining about chores.
I don't have a problem.
He's complaining about chores.
I don't have a problem. I just can't do the bending over.
No, we just help each other. It's fine. That's what you do. That's what you do. We have. Oops. Well, guys, I gotta let you go because my son is calling. So remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.